Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Over the past few months, I have seen so many posts on how easy it is to make money on YouTube. So let's see if that's actually true, and if so, how much can I actually make? Over the next 12 weeks, I'll be exploring the feasibility of using AI to create content for YouTube. My goal is to see how it potentially impacts YouTube's algorithm and if it's possible to make money using AI on the platform. I'm not very technical, so I'll be using easy-to-use and free platforms to create the content. I plan to use chat to generate ideas and storylines for my videos. I'll also be looking into other AI tools that can help with video editing, voiceovers, and other aspects of the production process. I'll be posting a new AI-narrated video once a week for the next 12 weeks, along with weekly updates on the content and tools used to create it. I'll also be keeping track of the growth of the channel and the engagement of viewers. To meet YouTube's requirements for monetization, I need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and I can't have any community strikes. Fortunately, I've already met the first requirement by starting a new channel. I'm interested in exploring the potential of AI as a content creation tool, and by conducting this experiment, I hope to gain a better understanding of its capabilities and limitations. I expect to face challenges in terms of creating high-quality content that engages viewers and meets YouTube standards, as well as promotion and navigating YouTube's algorithm and monetization requirements. I'll be measuring success by tracking the growth of the channel, the engagement and retention of viewers, and the revenue generated by the channel, if any. If you find this experiment interesting, please like and share. I'll be posting updates on the progress of the channel here, so stay tuned.